let's do a little tutorial on exponents. Let's first review some of the simple laws that we've talked about. First one is exponents would have the same base, and we're going to multiply. In this case, we have 2 cubed times 2 to the power 5, and the way we approach that is we add the exponents, so we'd add 2 to the 3 times 2 to the 5 together, which would give you 2 to the power 8. Let's do a division question. We have 6 to the power 3 over 6 to the power 8. So the first question I ask myself is, where do I have more 6's? Well, on the bottom. And how many more do I have? I have 5. So I end up with 1 over 6 to the power 5, or I could write that as 6 to the negative 5. Next question, 4 to the power 0. Well, it could be 7 to the power 0 or 12 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Let's look at 2 to the minus 3 and write that with a positive exponent. 2 to the negative 3 is really the reciprocal of 2 to the power 3, or 2 to the positive 3, which would be 1 over 8. Next question. The negative exponent is on the bottom, so in order to make that positive, if it's on the bottom, we move it to the top. So let's bring that up to make it 4 to the positive 2, or 16. Let's look at 4 times 6 to the negative 2. Well, 4 really has an exponent 1, so we can think about that. And 6 to the minus 2, if we make that positive, it'll go underneath. So it's 4 times 1 over 6 squared, or 4 times 1 over 36. And that simplifies to 1 over 9. 4, a to the 5b, all squared, means square the 4, square the 5, a to the 5, and square b. That gives you 4 squared, a 5 squared, which is a to the 10, and b times 1 to the 2 is b squared, and 4 squared is 16, so you get 16 a to the 10 b squared. Alright, next question. 10a b to the minus 7, I'll do that in black, c to the minus 2, over 15a to the minus 2, b to the 0, c to the minus 3. Anything to the 0 is equal to 1, so I'm going to replace that with a 1. I'm going to simplify my 10 over 15. If we divide everything by 5, that leaves us with 2 over 3. I like to work with all my exponents in the positive, so I'm going to move the ones that are negative on the bottom to the top, and ones that are negative on the top to the bottom. So that leaves us with a on top, take the b7 down, take the c squared down, take the a squared up, and take the c cubed up. Now let's simplify our exponents on top. So that leaves us with 2a squared c cubed all over 3 b to the 7 c squared. Now I can simplify c cubed over c squared, and I'm left with, if it fits, 2a squared c all over 3 times b to the power 7. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.